Today we're going to install Zl1 add-on rock guards to this 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat.
Yeah, I'm gonna work hard, play hard. Yeah, I play my first card, ace hard. Yeah, they know I play smart, play hard. We don't have the same star.
What's up guys, Anthony here, back with another install video. Today we're going to install Zl1 add-on rock guards to this 2018 Dodge Charger Hellcat. This is actually my buddy's Hellcat. He just picked it up. He left it with me while he went on a business trip for 2 weeks, so I'm going ahead and get it tinted. Got the tinted taillights from Lux Auto Concepts on there the other day, and then the Zl1 add-ons rock guards just showed up today, so we're going to install those right now. This install is a fairly simple install. I've done it on my 2017 Charger Hellcat, and it only took me about 10 minutes to do. You're gonna need either a flathead screwdriver or a push pin removal tool, something like this. I got this from Harbor Freight, and I know different stores sell those, but it just makes it easier to pull those push pins out, and I'll show you that here in a minute. So yeah, these are the Zl1 add-ons rock guards for a 2015 through 2018 Charger Hellcat. So those are the rears, here's the fronts, and we're going to get those installed right now. We're going to start with the front ones. I recommend taking a wash mitt and just cleaning the surface before you apply the rock guards, because there's two-sided tape on the back side of it to go along the fender well here, and you want to make sure that's free of debris and cleaned off so they stick. Those are the 3 push pins that we're going to have to remove and then put back in to hold the rock guards, along with the 3M two-sided tape that's provided on the back of the rock guard. Also, we're going to have to remove this push pin up here, and that's going to hold it on the top. So yeah, Zl1 Addons provides instructions in the box as well. They go over a few good tips here before applying the rock guards to the vehicle. I recommend following these instructions, that way you won't have any trouble with your install and or them falling off in the future. So once you get this area cleaned, you're going to want to take your push pin removal tool or a flathead screwdriver and remove all 3 of these and this one up top here. One thing I want to point out on these is there's 2 different styles you can get. You can get the premium or just the standard ones. The premium ones have the divots here for the push pins to lay in. They're definitely nicer and worth the extra money, so I recommend getting these ones here. I'll put a link in the description below on where to get these, right from Zl1 Addons website. So for the back one, there's only 2 push pins you need to remove, and that is going to be this one and this one. And then this one up here, it clears, so you don't have to remove that one. Like I said before, make sure you clean the surface with soap and water, and then go back over it with alcohol. Make sure it's free of debris, and not make sure the 3M tape will stick to that surface. And just like that, the rear rock guard's on. Repeat all those steps that I just did for the other side, and that will complete the installation of the Zl1 Addons rock guards for a 2015 through 2018 Dodge Charger. These rock guards are a must, guys, for any Charger 2015 through 2018. They definitely prevent rocks from chipping the paint back here and all down the side. The rockers stay free of getting chipped from rocks. I have them on my 2017 Charger, and I gotta say that they're definitely worth the money. They may not look the best, but on this car, you can't really tell that they're on there, especially if you have a 305 or 315 inch profile tire on the rear. You really can't tell that they're on there, and the fronts kind of blend in. It's really, you really can't tell they're on there, and they actually look good on the Chargers. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting these for your 2015 through 2018 Scat Pack, Hellcat, SRT. There's no cutting, drilling, anything. It's just plug and play. This install was very easy, guys. It literally took me 20 minutes to do the whole car. Also, stay tuned, guys. We just got the clear bra, the Expel Ultimate Clear Bra installed on the Demon. I will be posting a video on that here in the next couple days. So right now it's up on the ramps. It's curing before we bring it outside and go put some miles on it. So yeah, next video in the next couple days here will be the Expel Ultimate getting applied and installed on the 2018 Demon. So stay tuned for that, guys. That completes today's video. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. Browse the channel and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.